Hi, my dear students. While I was crossing the forest, the peacock and fox seriously talking them. I will explain what they mean by them showing up through puppet. Hi, fox. How are you?
Hi Peacock, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very sad because my voice is not as sweet as the nightingale voice.
It's true that you cannot sing, but just look how beautiful you are. You have beautiful feathers.
Oh, but I have such an ugly voice.
God has made us all special. Each one of us is different from the others. You have beautiful feathers. The nightingale has a lovely voice. The owl has his sharp eyes. And the eagle is strong.
Hereafter, I will love myself.
Let's be happy about who we are.